So now we are going to see how we can return back or recover. So your deleted files on your computer. You may have a deleted folder, you may have a deleted document on your computer, and you want it to be back, or you have even uh, deleted it while unknowingly, and you want that to be back in your computer. Now here is the way you can use to make sure that that file can be back on your computer. First of all, there are two different ways to delete document or folders, or even maybe video, or to delete something in your computer. First of all, when you delete something by the first time, it is going to recycle bin. When you delete it by the second time also, it is going to be permanently. But if you don't go to recycle bin, that thing you are deleting is not going somewhere. So what you need to do, you need to have, for example, I can delete this one. Let me delete this folder I created on my desktop. When I delete this, you see now it is going, which means uh, it is gone now, so I cannot see it there. I can even not see it on my computer. And once I want to go back there and see if I can have it, still while I'm still here, I can click Control Z, so then this folder come. But if I have deleted it also, I can click Control Y and see go back. So which means it is deleted. But when I leave this page and, for example, I go to another page, so I cannot be able to click Control Z or Control Y to redo or undo the information I have already deleted. So what I need to do, I need to just go to my recycle bin section. Once I go to recycle bin section, I can scroll down and see each and every folder of the information I have deleted. So for example, you can see I have this one. So you see now I have IT key now. When I see it is the folder I have deleted, but I cannot be able to now to open this when it is in recycle bin. So what you need to do in order to open this folder when it is in recycle bin, also you need to restore back. When you click here, you hit here restore also and click OK, it is going to go back to the desktop. I can even also click here, right click on it, then click restore. They are all the same. I can click properties to check hide the information. As you can see, the size is 0 bytes, which means that it is not working. But once I turn them to a desktop, it is going to have more bytes than the 01. So now I click restore, or I click right click there and I click restore. For example, I click restore here. Once I click restore, so it is going back. I see it is gone from here, and I go to check to the desktop and see it is now here. And when I click here also, it is still the same as the one. You can see it is the folder which is still containing the information I had before. So this is how you can restore the deleted file, deleted song, deleted video, or any other deleted information in your computer once you did not delete it well in the recycle bin. Let's see how to delete it permanently in the recycle bin. The information you may not also be able to return is the one you deleted permanently. So let me go back to the recycle bin. You see I deleted that folder again. Once I go to the recycle bin, I'm going to check also that folder in the recycle bin. You see they are arranged on alphabetical orders. So once they are arranged on alphabetical orders, so I'm going to delete this folder. So yes, once I delete this folder, you see. So once I did this folder, I delete this. They are bringing the message which is saying that are you sure you want to delete this folder permanently? Yes, you are going to say yes or no depending on which option do you prefer now. So let me click yes. Once I click yes, I'm not able now to return it back to the normal files because I choose to delete it permanently on my computer. This is how you can do all this.